Hi my country pipu, how una dey? Na during dis week busybody pipu carry di news say Nollywood actress Rita Dominic don born twins for obodo oyinbo United Kingdom. Di actress don come outside through her Twitter page say na lie o, she no get belle talk less of giving birth to twins. She share a gif wit di caption "fake news". Dis kain fake news begin dey fly about many months afta Rita and her husband Fidelis Anosike do di wedding wey be say I no go fit mention all di names: Joke Silva, Chidi Mokeme, Iniedo, Uche Jombo, Hilda Dokubo, Lillian Bach and Sean George. Oda celebrities include Queen Uwokoye, Uche Elendu, Ese Eriata, Bibi Naijas Tolani Baj, Mercy Eke and Idia Essien, including comedians like Julius Agu and Oke Bakassi. Di popular movie star and her partner do dia engagement ceremony for April dis year. Make I let una know say Fidelis Anosike na di owner of Folio Media Group, na multimedia company wey buy Daily Times wey be di oldest newspaper for Nigeria. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so dat we go dey notify una as oda gist dey shele. And for my pipu wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so dat sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.